All right, so once we know that there has been substance use or is currently substance use, it's very important for us to decide, are we going to target this use? And one of the ways we can do that is to use this client substance index short form that's in your packet. It's handout 1, so everybody go ahead and grab that and let's take a look at it. One of the things that I want you guys to notice right away here is that these are questions that really need to be answered by the youth. And so there are a couple ways we can complete this form. One of the ways we can complete it is to assign it to the youth as a homework assignment. So leaving the form with the youth and coming back the next day, for example, to pick it up and review it with the youth and the caregiver. Another way to complete the form is to do it in session with the caregiver present and the youth present. Something else to think about is, these questions aren't a Likert scale. There is a yes-no option. And so if a youth answers yes to any of these questions, it does indicate that the severity of the behavior is enough that we should consider seriously the need to target the substance use in treatment. Other things that you got to think about, though, are the impact on functioning for the youth and some of the consequences that the youth has already experienced as a result of substance use.